A balance bike is a pedal-less bike with 2 wheels. Kids ride them like regular bikes, but they are powered by a child's running legs rather than pedals. Balance bikes are perfect bikes for 2-year-olds and up as they teach kids to balance on 2 wheels and ride independently. Balance bikes are also called strider bikes, glider bikes, running bikes, or toddler push bikes. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you top 5 balance bike for kids over 2-year-old 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the GOMO brand. Do you remember your first toddler bike? It needed to be light enough to drag, but strong enough for those moments of frustration when you threw it to the ground. It had to be safe, but of course, look cool too. The GOMO Kids bicycle has a turn limiter for greater control while they master the skill of steering. The custom footrest lets them place their feet safely as they go fast for their very first time. To ride like the big kids, there'll be a few spills along the way. So we gave the GOMO push bike a steel frame that's as light as it is tough. It's the first bike that grows with kids and their confidence. GOMO means get out more often, so we've made this boys and girls bike 7.1 pounds light enough to do exactly that. Toddlers can lift and drag it just as easily as they can scoot along. Packed with safety features, the GOMO is kit out with safe ABS plastic finishes for less scrapes to the bike and your kids. Number 4 in our top is from the KRIDDO brand. A fun way to introduce small toddlers to riding bicycles. This girls and boys balance bike lets them push, stand, and walk their way around the outdoors with a sturdy frame and well-balanced, kid-friendly design for 18 months to 3 years old. Each balancing bike also comes with a bike bell that has US flag on it. Your kid would love ringing the cool bell during the riding. This toddler balance bike is also designed with a wide footrest under the seat where the feet rest to help them learn to pick up their feet and balance when they're gliding along. Vital for developing self-confidence and balancing. We want kids to feel strong and stable when they're moving on grass and sidewalks, which is why we added puncture-resistant tires to the front and back of each balance bike for 4-year-olds and 18-month-old riders. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Bixe brand. A kid's balance bike is a safer, faster, and funner way for kids to learn cycling. A no-pedal bike lets children master balance and steering first, so moving to pedal bike is easy. Big balance bike that is a great transition bike or training bike. This is a balance bike for 5-year-old up to 9-year-old. A balancing bike that's great for kids who have challenges and experienced riders who love testing their limits. Pink balance bike, green balance bike, purple or blue. Girls balance bike or boys. Kids balance bikes need to be safe. This kids balance bike has been rigorously tested with the weight of larger children, and its durability is astounding. Each clamp is tamper-proof, both wheels equipped with safety washers. There is no need for kids' balance bikes to be difficult to set up. This starter bike comes partially assembled. The wheels are securely attached and ready to ride. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the Croco brand. The lightest bike on the market, only 4 pounds. This makes it super easy for kids to handle the bike, and learning to ride is a breeze. The perfect first bike for kids 2 to 5 years old with an inseam between 11 to 18 inches. It's the only balance bike with all the premium features at an affordable price. It includes bell, handlebar pad, ultra-soft hand grips, padded seat, gripped footrest and safety end screws for extra protection. Seat and handlebar can be easily adjusted in seconds thanks to the quick-release clamp. This is super important. Consider you'll be adjusting the height during the whole learning to ride process, and as your child grows. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Radio Flyer brand. The Air Ride Balance Bike is a pedal-free beginner bike that allows toddlers to focus on balance. As they learn to walk, glide, and run, this balance bike will help them develop coordination. The ringing bell also adds to the fun. 12-inch rubber air tires provide a smooth ride on any terrain. The white walls also add to this classic design. The tool-free adjustable seat grows with your toddler from ages 1.5 to 5. Grip tape on the frame provides a place for riders to place their feet as they glide. The frame is lightweight and durable, ensuring years of fun. Which balance bike would you like to buy for your kid? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.